Secondly, we haven't fucking played together in about 6 months, so we are back tonight. We are fucking back tonight. I apologize for cussing if it's against Microsoft policies, but I am fucking excited about being fucking back tonight. And you guys are fucking amazing, so here's what we're gonna do. This is gonna be the biggest, oh yeah, sorry, earmuffs. Fuck yeah. I need you to sing back to me as loud as you can. This whole place is going to erupt because you're probably not all from Atlanta. You only got a few nights in Atlanta off, so tonight we're gonna fucking scream and sing as loud as we can. Repeat after me. Oh, hey, now we are going to top that, so I will sing, oh! But have you ever wondered about our old nomadic friends and what became of them? Turns out I saw them a couple of days ago. They were laughing and drinking, smoking and singing. All the bunches in it. Let's just say happy time.